We spend a lot of time watching tutorials from our favorite artists or learning about what gear to buy that we often overlook the most important part of being a good creative: having good ideas. Now this is different for everyone, but let me show you my creative process. Fill your well. There's a saying, you can't draw water from an empty well. If you want creative ideas, you need to fill that noggin of yours with as much creative content as possible. Whether that's collecting your favorite films, saving your favorite art, or having a list of websites to go to for inspiration. Be a collector and fill your well. Steal like an artist. Once you've collected the work you admire, take bits and pieces from the work you like and incorporate them into the work you're creating. Love the color grade from this film? Or the camera moves in that one? Maybe the story from this one? Now cool, apply all those together and create something original. Ideas happen when our minds wander. All us daydreamers who have a hard time listening and paying attention should learn to embrace this gift we've been taught is a bad thing. Freeing your mind and allowing it to naturally explore gives you space to think and freedom to experiment. If you don't know where to start, just start. Start listing out your ideas or start editing that photo. And don't worry if what you're doing isn't working. You have to get the bad ideas out first before the good ones will come. Kill your brain babies. It's easy to get emotionally attached to an idea. That's good. That means you're passionate. But that's a dangerous mindset if you're not willing to set aside an idea you love and accept that there might be a better idea. Because guess what? There's always a better idea. Stay inspired. Skaters always watch skate videos before going out to get themselves hyped. It's a mental game, and the creative field is no different. Before starting a project, rewatch your favorite commercial or scroll through your favorite art. Get stoked. I highly doubt that anyone was forced to become an artist or a filmmaker. You chose it because it excites you. So have fun doing what you love. Good ideas won't come if you're not eagerly ready to greet them. Now remember, this process isn't a linear one, but a cycle you need to keep repeating if you want ideas that are truly original. Much easier said than done, but this process does help. You can copy the gear of someone else or mimic another artist, but no one can copy your life experiences. Those are uniquely yours. And those experiences are what feed fresh ideas. It's your job as a creative to learn how to reach inside yourself and find the stories worth sharing.